Hey, I'm in the hotel. Like I said, I commonly spend at least a day in there. And I came in yesterday, so I did manage to wire up the last connection. So all of my solar panels are now pointed at my internal battery system. It'll be interesting to see what I get when I test that. I also have the ability to switch it back over and use the small panels, the five, one, two, three, four. Yeah, the five, six. I had to remember now. The six 50-watt panels, and I can charge up my auxiliary batteries. It's just one small cable detach and reattach. I'm looking for a switch so I can do that from the back. Sorry, I'm gonna get it away because we have a huge line of thunderstorms coming through. I hope to be here after they pass, but it's raining now, and the big line hasn't hit here. We could have tornadoes, hail. In other words, common spring in Texas. Just hopefully not an uncommon destructive occurrence. But yeah, last night there was some unusual mattress gymnastics overhead. I had some unusual squeaks and squawks, and that will be the depth of that talk. But it did bring a few laughs to me. I am a van lifer, so those type of things don't happen often when you live in a van. I guess they could, but let's just say research to find companions in a van is not one I've undergone yet. So I'm just roughing it and taking it easy and taking it calm and running solo. Anyway, sorry for the weird U-turn there, but I'll talk about the solar when I get a chance to actually test it under sunny skies, which will probably be day after tomorrow. But hooking it up wasn't bad. I used some actual magnetic hooks out here, some very, very heavy duty magnets, so they're not coming off. And I'm just running that temporarily to see. I'm going to get a a shorter cable run for this. In fact, it's probably already in my mailbox, but I just wanted to get it up there and going. I'm one of those procrastinate, and then I do whatever it takes to get it going. I got, I got a frustration point where I said, "Screw it, I'll do it." Anyway, that's all I'm going to talk about today. I hope to get out to the movies later. I rescheduled one. I figure when the major thunderstorm roll comes through, I'll just be buttoned down for a while, and then when it passes, I'll just go see the movie later this afternoon, evening, or maybe tomorrow midday. Anyway, talk to you later. Have a wonderful day, and it's quiet overhead. Goodbye.